Hey folks, Suraj here from Amanda Productions and Edicos, and this is shot 3. The first shot we learned how to make simple beats. The second shot we learned how to create simple melodies. If you guys haven't watched them yet, please go ahead and watch the first two shots. Today, let's see how we can combine beats and melody on top of our beats. So let me first quickly go to the arrangement page. As usual, I'm gonna delete the audio files. I'm gonna instantly create a MIDI clip on the first channel. And today what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go ahead and click on a drum kit or type 707. Now this is a drum kit. What do you mean by that is pretty much Ableton has curated samples into a particular kit. That's what is called 707. It's a very special kit for me. I really like them. Now you can see that the drum rack is already been loaded with a lot of samples. Unlike on the first shot, we dragged and dropped most of them. Now I'm gonna double click. I am gonna start laying my kicks. Now I am very confident on how my kicks are gonna sound, but in case if you wanna hear what the snares are gonna be like, you can click on this preview button. I'm gonna duplicate the second and fourth bar. Quickly, let me change the tempo to 128. And for now, I think the kick and snare should do because I am gonna worry about my melodies. I'm gonna create another MIDI clip. I'm gonna come down to instruments, and under instruments, you can see that you have a couple of Ableton stock VSTs. You have analog, bass, collision, etc., etc., etc. I am gonna straight away go and hit with stab twice for murder. I pretty much like all the stab leads that's there in Ableton. Now, for example, I like this. I'm gonna drag and drop that to the MIDI channel. I'm gonna double click, and now first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the scale, maybe to F minor. Let's do F minor. Once I change the scale, now I can hear the notes when I click on them. And if you don't want to listen to them, you can turn off the preview button. I'm going to start off with the root note. I really like that. It's a very simple melody. Okay, now what I want to do is from the ninth bar, I want to add some hats because otherwise it's going to look or sound way too monotonous. Let's come down to my hats. Let's do simple hats, very simple hats. Okay, I'm making it a little off so you get like a little groove. And what I want to do is I want to change the tempo of it. So I'm going to select on everything, get the tempos down. I can also click on randomize. So let's listen to it from the beginning. Now that's a simple beat with this very simple lead. In the next shot, which the upcoming shot, I'm gonna explain on how you can make your leads a little bit more complex, probably doing broken notes, a sustained note, maybe like a one beat note. Stay tuned for that, and if you haven't followed or subscribed, go ahead and follow and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next shot.